Alright, this is my BlackBerry. I took the battery out and everything. Something's wrong with that. I think the screw's loose, but here's the battery. Clearly, it didn't get wet because it's still white, but I'm gonna put it back in. Hold on, try to do this with one hand. Put the back on. Alright. And it won't turn on. This is obviously why I'm making this video. And then watch when I plug this in. It's obviously plugged in. And it still won't turn on. The thing won't come on. Sometimes it'll show the charging battery thing and then have some white lines and flash. If you know how to fix this, please leave a link in the comments or something. Please.